Good afternoon. My name is Scott Riley, Chief Strategic Officer at T3Live.com. Welcome to today's recap and look ahead.
观众朋友们，大家好，欢迎收看今天的直击美股，我是主持人张叔，在纽约向您问好。周一美股收涨，今天影响市场的两大因素是原油以及美国大选。原油方面，在早盘的时候，市场是存在了一些质疑，原因是因为欧佩克石油输出国组织与非成员国之间能否达成这些协议呢，是受到了一些疑惑。因为像包括伊拉克以及伊朗呢，据称是不会参加本周在土耳其进行的会议，而包括俄罗斯能源部长也出来表示质疑，因此在早盘的时候，原油价格是承受了一些压力。但是随后，俄罗斯总统普京公开表示，俄罗斯已经准备好了控制产量，因此这样一个强有力的支持消息呢，也是使得今天的原油上涨超过3%。另外一方面，备受关注的就是美国总统大选的一个第二次辩论，在这次辩论上，双方必为能就自己的一个政策展开更多的一些分析，主要原因还是由于 Trump 本身自己的这样一个丑闻呢是备受关注。但另外一方面呢，我们看到市场的反应确实认为希拉里在此次辩论中是险胜，原因是因为包括像墨西哥比索是上涨了2%。由于今天是美国的哥伦布日，因此在经济数据方面并未能有太多的数据发布，投资人呢也是在消化上周五发布的一个非农就业报告，显示9月份呢新增的职位仅仅是增长了15.6万。但另外一方面，德银的消息也是吸引了市场的目光。由于德银未能与美国的司法部就住房抵押贷款证券达成一个协议，因此呢，这也是使得今天德银是下跌了3%。由于到今年为止，德银已经下跌了50%近，因此这样子的一个数字呢，也是影响了美国的银行股板块。好的，更多消息让我们来看一下今天的交易员访谈。Hi Scott, U.S. stock traded higher today and U.S. election is on focus and also oil soars like 3%. So today is a composite day, so we have relatively light volume. So what's the level looking like right now?
Well, you know, on Friday, first of all, you had the weaker than expected jobs report. They tried to sell the market and they couldn't. So support held. So on the S&P cash, 2145 held. And then today they opened the market up, maybe because we're a little more confident that Hillary might win, and that's supposed to be market positive. But then, like you said, we also had oil stronger. You had banks not selling off. You had tech in the game. So you would have thought, you know, we could have had a little bit more power, which, you know, we were fine today. You look at the chart of the S&P cash. You know, here you go. We're still, you know, pretty tight here. Okay, this was support that held on Friday right here. And now we're, you know, punching up against resistance. First time you get there, you might not be able to get through, but maybe it tries again tomorrow. We shall see. You know, overall, though, I think, you know, things are acting a bit more constructive than faulty, but, you know, the jury's out, but I'm leaning bullish.
Okay, today U.S. oil is definitely the story because the Russian President Putin said Russia is ready for the capping on the oil production. So actually that is really supportive for the oil market. But how does that affect stock market?
Well, about a week and a half ago, we talked about the engulfing move in oil. When oil basically took back 46.47 and the XLE took back 68.5, that was the spot to switch gears. That was the spot when money came back into the oil sector. How do you know? Well, look right here on the chart. USO, which is an ETF that follows oil. This descending channel broke to the upside right here. That's when the 8 and 21 day got taken back, and this is when the 200 day got taken back. So you had a nice move in oil, which should help the broader indices. Then you look at the XLE. I don't know how many times Annabelle and I sat here and said that, you know, about a year or 2 years, it was below the 200 day, and then finally, for about 5-6 months, it's above, showing some accumulation by big institutions in the oil name. So if you were buying swing trades, okay, it was worth it. If you were looking to play technically, well, that day that oil broke out, you know, so did the XLE, broke above the 8 and 21 day and has been riding it up since and almost right back at the weekly high. So oil and oil stocks have been acting better ever since this igniting bar that sometimes ignites a new move.
Okay, and also today tech names are impressive. For example, Apple contributed most to the Nasdaq Composite and also Facebook and Google. So how do you think about these names?
Well, I came in looking at them thinking, can I buy more? You know, and they actually were decent after the open, which is what a trader wants. So if you didn't go home long these stocks, you know, there was still some time to do so. But if you've been watching the program and you've been buying Apple on the dip with this bull flag here, then today maybe you just added to it on a nice move. We've been showing this chart every single time. Here was your breakout up to 16. then it consolidated, built a nice bull flag. I think we listed a buy price right here, and then on Friday we talked about it again, and then now you finally have a clean break above this. So I would think that Apple, I don't know if, how long is it going to take, but if you remember, we talked about how, the next move in this could take it up till around 120, and right now it's looking pretty good. Facebook also is very tight. You look at Facebook, just started to poke its head up again, so it's not overbought, and you would think that a stock like Facebook that is so institutionally owned, that's coming out with some new products, just broke out. So maybe this gets back to old highs. And lastly, my nemesis is Google. But you know what? Google finally is telling you that maybe it's ready for for new highs.
Okay, that's all we have for today.
And we'll see what happens tomorrow. So make sure you tune in, and also tune into the morning call so you can get the action before the trading starts.
好的，感谢您的收看，我们明天再见。